Is green hydrogen fuel of the future? Hydrogen is the most abundant chemical element in nature. As noted by the International Energy Agency, the global demand for hydrogen for use as a fuel has tripled since 1975 and reached 70 million tons a year in 2018. Green hydrogen is a clean energy source that only emits water vapor and leaves no residue in the air, unlike coal and oil. Hydrogen has a long-standing relationship with industry. This gas has been used to fuel cars, airships, and spaceships since the beginning of the 19th century. How hydrogen is produced. Hydrogen is produced using fossil fuels such as natural gas or coal, which known as gray hydrogen. Gray hydrogen accounts for roughly 95% of the hydrogen produced in the world today. The two main production methods are steam methane reforming and coal gasification. Both of these processes release carbon dioxide. If carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, the hydrogen produced is called gray hydrogen. Then we have blue hydrogen. Here the carbon is captured and stored underground. And this process is expensive since we need to capture the carbon dioxide. Finally, scientists found green hydrogen. How is green hydrogen produced? Green hydrogen is hydrogen produced by splitting water by electrolysis. This produces only hydrogen and oxygen. We can use hydrogen and vent the oxygen to the atmosphere with no negative impact. Some of the main benefits of green hydrogen are 100% sustainable. Green hydrogen does not emit polluting gases either during combustion or during production. Storable. Hydrogen is easy to store, which allows it to be used subsequently for other purposes and at times other than immediately after its production. Versatile. Green hydrogen can be transformed into electricity or synthetic gas and used for commercial, industrial or mobility purposes. Now let's check the challenges of green hydrogen. And high cost. Energy from renewable sources, which are key to generating green hydrogen through electrolysis, is more expensive to generate, which in turn makes hydrogen more expensive to obtain. High energy consumption. The production of hydrogen in general and green hydrogen, in particular, requires more energy than other fuels. Safety issues. Hydrogen is a highly volatile and flammable element, and extensive safety measures are therefore required to prevent leakage and explosions. Impact of green hydrogen. Hydrogen as a fuel is a reality in countries like the United States, Russia, China, France, and Germany. Others like Japan are going even further and aspire to become a hydrogen economy. Below we explain what the impact will be in the future. Electricity and drinking water generator. These two elements are obtained by reacting hydrogen and oxygen together in a fuel cell. This process has proved very useful on space missions, for example, by providing crews with water and electricity in a sustainable manner. Energy storage. Compressed hydrogen tanks are capable of storing energy for long periods of time and are also easier to handle than lithium-ion batteries because they are lighter. Transport and mobility. Hydrogen's great versatility allows it to be used in those consumption niches that are very difficult to decarbonize, such as heavy transport, aviation, and maritime transport. There are already several projects underway in this area, such as Hykers and Cryoplane, which are promoted by the European Union, EU, and aim to introduce it in passenger aircraft. Put your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more.